Hi, and welcome back to Pretty Creative Stuff. Today, my kids are going to make lemonade. Yes, homemade lemonade really is so easy to make that kids can make it all by themselves with a little bit of assistance. All you need to make homemade lemonade is a bunch of lemons to juice or store-bought lemon juice, water, and sugar. We have a lemon tree in our backyard, and our kids picked a lot of lemons so that they could make fresh squeezed lemonade for a lemonade stand. If you're using store-bought lemon juice, you can skip the lemon juicing step and go straight to the chapter about making simple syrup. Before juicing the lemons, you'll want to wash the lemons. My daughter did the washing and my son did the juicing. It was a really nice little assembly line they had going. Before you start juicing the lemons, it's helpful to have a pitcher where you can put the lemon juice and a bowl where you can put the lemons once you're done juicing them. We have two small manual juicers, and juicing buckets full of lemons is a lot of work. My son tried out both juicers, and in the end, this one was easier for him to use. My husband helped him juice the lemons because, like I said, it is a lot of work. We don't have an electric juicer, but if you do, that would make this process a lot easier. This is not a sponsored video, but if a sponsor wants to send us a juicer, we'd be happy to do another video about it. Meanwhile, my daughter and I got started making the simple syrup that would sweeten the lemonade. You'll need to add 1 3/4 cups sugar and 1 cup of water to a pot. That's it. An adult should help with the next step. Put the pot on the stove on high heat and boil the mixture while stirring it together until the sugar completely dissolves in the water. I didn't time it, but it probably took about 5 minutes or so for this process to happen. The water turned completely clear when it was done. Remove the pot from heat and let the simple syrup cool. Once the simple syrup is cool and the lemons are juiced, it's time to mix everything together. Get out a pitcher and add 8 cups of cold water, 1 1/2 cups of lemon juice, and all of the simple syrup. Stir it together, and you're done. Now comes the fun part, the taste test. Add some ice to your glass, pour in the lemonade, and enjoy. My kids gave our lemonade 2 thumbs up. This lemonade is super easy to make and super easy to modify to suit your taste buds. If it's too sweet, add a little more water and lemon juice to the mixture. If it's too sour, add a little more water. If it's not lemony enough, add some more lemon juice. Voila, your new favorite lemonade. If you want to see a way to add a little extra flavor to your lemonade, check out our Cherry Heart Lemonade recipe. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and ring the bell so you're notified about upcoming videos. See you next time. Bye.